little fella's walking out here in the opening. You can see him good out here now. Mama's still back there in the edge of the wood line watching. Nope, Mama's headed off the other way. I reckon she's testing him. Are you gonna see it and keep up with her or what?
He's a long way from
Mm-hmm. Yeah, she's over back side of the your little old building. But she's watching him. I keep seeing her. She's looking back over at him. She's keeping up with him.
Where's the mama?
Big Mama's right out there.
Yeah, I couldn't see her.
Whoop. He just shot back over to her. He must be behind that tree. I don't see him now. Yep, she's walking off.
Mm-mm.
Oh, there he goes. Following behind her.